Now that you've created your Prezi, you will see this screen. On this screen, I'm going to start a new Prezi. So I'm going to click here. And it will take a while to download. What we will see when it first finishes downloading is a choice of different templates. So I am going to choose this template called Bright Lights. I'm going to go down here and say Use Template. And so it creates different views, different slides that I can use. Before we begin to edit this template, I would like to show you the different features of Prezi. You can insert an image. You can either choose a file on your computer or you can search the web. If I go back to insert, you can do symbols and shapes. So there's different objects that you can put in there. You can also insert a YouTube video. What you do need to have before you start is the link, so you can paste it right in there without having to search. I'm going to close that out. Another thing you can insert, if you have favorites. So let's say you want to use something that you've used before in a different Prezi. You have it saved to favorites, and then you can use it again. Another feature is different layouts. You can draw an arrow, a line, or you can highlight. You can add background music, and you can also, in a certain view, edit a path. You can do a voiceover, and then you can add a file from a PDF, or you could also insert a PowerPoint within Prezi. So with knowing those things, we're going to go to this first slide, and we're going to click to add a title. So if I click on it, the editing box comes up, and I'm going to put Parts of a Plant. And what I'm going to do then is create different images and videos that will enhance this Prezi on plants. And it will be geared towards first graders. So I'm not going to add a lot of information, and I probably won't finish it. Here, I go to the first path, and if you see right over here, it's path number 2. This means that we have added a path already in the template, which brings it to this circle. So you're going to click to add text, and I'm going to say roots or root, and then I'm going to add a brief explanation of the root and what it does. So I'm going to say root holds the plant in the ground and provides nutrients from the soil. Okay, and I have that there. And if you go back up to edit text, I might want to make this centered. So it just changes that. And I'm going to, when I get my hand here, I'm going to go right here and move it up and try to center it. Now, I also want to add a picture at this point. So I'm going to say insert image. Now I'm going to do a search provided by this website, and I'm going to say all sources, but I'm going to say show only images licensed for commercial use, so that way I'm not infringing on copyright laws. I'm going to put root in here. Now there's 2 ways you can enter it in. You can double click, or you could just drop and drag. And while I'm waiting, it's uploading that. And then I can resize it just like most pictures. You can grab the corners, and I'm going to put it right there. So now I've created my first slide, and that's how you add a picture to your Prezi.